Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new report on TranZact profit and loss report. So from where you can get that and how you can see that. So let us take you to the reports module. Click on all modules, then go to reports and intelligence. Now here in reports and intelligence, you need to go to general or you can search on right hand side as well. Once you will come in general segment, here is the profit and loss, sales and purchase invoices, and here is the profit and loss invoice versus production cost. So what does this mean and how it reflect the data? So come towards the very first profit and loss, sales and purchase invoices. It compares as per the item. So what is the sales invoice amount and what is the purchase invoice amount? It takes the average and then after it show you the data. So you can select the custom and then after you can group by month or week as per your requirement. So once you will click on generate, please check, it will show you the report. Now here it is just like a group data. So you can see the total sales as per the month is this, and CN before tax, then after purchase before tax. So it will tell you how much is the gross profit percentage before tax and gross profit before tax GP. So this is how you can check this particular detail. You can select the columns as per your requirement from show hide columns. Similarly, we have got the another report which is profit and loss invoice versus production cost. This also you can generate. It will take the data from your sales invoice and your production cost. So let me show you. Once I clicked on it and generated the report, it will show you as per the invoice and item. So please check here. You can go ahead and see all the details. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to check the profit and loss report on TranZact. Have a good day ahead.